What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jake to the G. What we doing today, man? I feel like just scouring the internet. See if I can find a melody loop and flip it, or use it for a trap beat. Whatever you want. Flip it, loop it, cut it up, whatever. Use it in Persona Studio One just to see what kind of music we can make, okay? So let's dive right into that. So we're gonna go on over here to Mr. Google and just type in free melody loops. Keep it real simple, real simple. We got a whole bunch of free stuff. We want free. I don't want to sign up for nothing. I can always go to, let's go here. I ain't been here. You know, you can always go to something, find something. You know what nobody gonna do with that? Let's look for genre hip hop. Ooh, trap. Nope, let's do trap. Just keep it simple. No data available. So obviously this is some boo-boo site that ain't got nothing too much for free. So you can't even search. So let's remove hip hop. Man, what you gotta do just kind of, is it because I'm doing it free or something? Can't call it. Let's just keep scrolling here. Maybe I can find some. I could do something with that. Cut that to that. That's all over the place. That I may could do something with that. I like that. Oh, you gotta log in. Look, I wonder if I can do this. Watch this. No, I don't think I can do that. Y'all already know what I was gonna do. Let's try something. Let's try another site. I don't want to have to sign up for nothing. I just want free. How's it gonna be free and you gotta sign up? Then it's not free because you're having to give you information. What is this? Go to Reddit. Reddit might have something. Watch, it's gonna be some virus or something. Probably get a virus doing it. What we gonna try? Let's see. Can I play it? Let's just download it and see if we large for Google to scan for virus. You know what? I kind of feel like there's always something up with that, so we're not gonna even try to. We could go to YouTube and do that, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Donate. Somebody always want to donate. Ain't doing nothing. We doing this for free. So I guess it looks like I'm going to have to go to Looperman. Let's go to Looperman. Kind of like that. Kind of like that. I ain't been here in a while. How do you even? You still gotta. I think I still gotta log in, but I got an account, so you do gotta log in. Motorcycles, bet. That ain't no motorcycle bet. I hate all these things, but that was easy. Remember me, whatever. All right, terms and conditions. Oh, they got it new. I accept. I'm lying. I don't accept. Geez, that was a whole process. Let's go back to loops and samples. Where were we? What is this? No. Loops menu, let's do, I just want melodies, cuz. Beat loop, I don't want no beat loop. Let's go to genres. Oh, I ain't did no boom bap, but we gonna keep it gully. What is this trash? Start over, pure trash. What is this?
That guy's gonna miss you. Oh, yeah. That guy's gonna miss you.
Trap loop, this is getting ridiculous. Ooh, I like that. Let's download that. Now, if we can find something else, that's the key of C. Okay, cuz. Let's go back up. Loop categories. Let's do flute loops. I want C. Can I filter by C? Want C? No C. Well, let's just listen to one of these. Ooh. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna use those and make about 2 beats. Nevertheless, port file. We got both of those in there. Now let's mute that. See what the first one is. Tempo 140. It's gonna get that changed for that one. It's a long loop. Let's see if it lined it up. It did. Yeah. You know, I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like I can do something with that one. I feel like I can do something with it. All right, let's see here. Let me look at my drum samples. You know, these same old. We don't want that. Let's close that out. Let's look at that. We don't want that. I need to download some more samples, cuz. Let's go to the usual. Oh, like that one. Go use that. Close it up. Let's use that one. Close it up. Now we need, what is it? We'll throw that in there for good measure. Be using the same damn thing. Close that up. I need like a, where's my whoopity bops? Let's use that one. All right, so now we got that figured out. Let's come over here and figure it out. We'll do that, we'll do that, we'll do that, and we'll do that. Don't want to use pattern mode. We'll just keep it the way I normally do it. Chop that up, cut it in two like that, highlight it, duplicate it out. Bada bing, bada bang. And then, I'm watching this to see how far I gotta go. And then from there on, let's chop it up a little bit, chop it up a little farther. Look at that, farther, up. Then let's come over here, do it to, I don't know if I like that. Let's just keep it going, cuz. Just do this whole thing. I don't never do it that long, but we're gonna do it that long. So let's come over here to the clap. I'm gonna get that out of the way. Oh, I need to put it back on my pencil. Do that. Do that. We need to switch that back to, let's do it to 8th. Delete that real quick. Yo. Ooh, it's gonna be dope. Let's move this up a little farther. I kind of like that. Hey. Then we'll just do dun dun dun. Ooh, let's see what that sound like. I like it. I wasn't even expecting that. We're gonna do a little simple kick. Let's see what this sound like. No, it's not one. Not one. I like it. So we got that, we got the clap, we got the trap. Let's bring it on out. Let's see. Let's see where we at with it. Bring this down here for now, cause we don't want that. Hey. You know what? So let's see how we can use that loop, both of these loops in the same thing. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. I like it. Then watch this. Nah, we can't do that at the same time. It ain't gonna sound right. But in the meantime, we're gonna do it like this, and we're gonna make that sound right. Come that right there. Let's do that. It's gonna be the hook, and then, all right, I did not see this coming like this. Let's duplicate that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Duplicate that out. Do that again, and let's just take. We're not gonna do that right there. Do that right there. We'll do that right there. And then we'll double it up, triple it up, and then we'll end it out. We'll do that like that. We'll take that out. Let's see what that sound like. Ken Folk. Hey. Too soon. We'll take that out on the second. Let's see what this breakdown will sound like. What's so stupid? Yeah. Hey. Come over here. Let's just get rid of all of that. I'm saving this one, y'all. We're gonna keep that out some more. Oh, what I'm doing. Damn, we're going in the red. Hey. I don't know. That's dope. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think about that one in the comments. This your boy,